Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into AIlignedREI, a powerful leads management system built using GoHighLevel. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to create and add new opportunities within the platform. Whether you are a real estate investor or someone managing multiple client leads, understanding how to track and organize opportunities is crucial for success. So let's jump in and simplify your workflow. So to add a new opportunity, we'll just simply go into the opportunities section. And on the top right, we have the add opportunity button, and the users will just simply have to click on this button to add a new opportunity. To add a new opportunity, we'll just simply select the contact name. For example, I'll just select the John Smith one. I will just, once the users select the contact name, they will simply have the email and the phone number filled automatically against that contact. We can also add the additional context as well. Opportunity details includes the opportunity name, the pipeline, the stage of the opportunity. It can be new customers, onboarding called, attended, onboarding completed. We have the statuses, we have the opportunity value as well, the owner of the name of the owner, the followers, the opportunity source, the business name, etc. We can also add in tags as we want to. It can be any tag. To create the opportunity, we'll just simply click on the create button. As you can see, the opportunity is successfully created. So to view the opportunity created against a specific context, we'll just simply click on the context section and click on the contact against which the opportunity was added. So as you can see, this was the new opportunity which is created, and we can view the opportunities. And we can also edit the information and update the opportunity information as well. To add a new opportunity, the users have other options as well. They can just simply go to the context section, and we can add the opportunities by simply clicking any of the contacts and clicking on the menu from here and add or create a new opportunity against that specific contact. And as we go into the opportunities section, as you can see, this was the opportunity which was added recently, and I can move the opportunity to the onboarding call booked, attended or completed by just simply dragging in the card and moving into the specific list I want to. So that's it for today's walkthrough on adding new opportunities in AIlignedREI. I hope this helps you better manage your leads and grow your business more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.